everyone, it's me, Miss Kate.
And Miss Hazel.
Today, we're going to do a fall painting. I'm really a little obsessed with sunsets at this time of year because we have so many beautiful ones. We have a piece of watercolor paper, but you could use construction paper, just something thick enough to hold the watercolor. A watercolor palette. I have this container with water to clean my brushes in between colors. So I'm going to start today by painting a beautiful sunset that we see all the time in the fall in the Bay Area. We just love it. So Miss Hazel had already woken up the watercolors because she used them this morning already, so I don't have to do very much there. But I'm going to try and have it be fairly wet so that the colors will blend together. And I'm going to paint this all up, and then I'm going to add a tree using acrylic paint, which I forgot to tell you we needed. Okay, here we go. I'm going to add some yellow in there. So probably letting it dry first would have been a better choice.
Thanks.
Yeah, but I'm going to just use this piece of newspaper. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you. Always be sure to cover your workstation. Oh, that just took most of the paint off. But that's okay.
It's a new effect, Miss
It's a new
Try
effect.
something new.
Man, that didn't work great. That's
There
okay.
you go. You're going to go back in a little
I'm going to
bit.
go back in and add more color because,
Don't try that at home, friends.
yeah, usually like let it dry a little bit. Okay, actually I like this one. Okay, this is good. So I'm going to clean my brush really well because I'm going to use it again. Now I've got my black acrylic. Again, you don't have to use acrylic. I just like using acrylic. But you could use tempera. You could wait for this to dry and use a marker if you wanted to draw your tree. It's going to be tree-ish. So I'm not going to worry too much about the shape of the tree, except when you look at it, you want to see that it's supposed to be a tree. So this black is going to, oh yeah, it's really moving along it's going to move along here because it is wet. So again, watch this. I'm going to pull up some of the water. This is going to be great because remember, it's tree-ish. So much of what we do is on the ish part of things because we don't have to be perfect, do we?
So
Oh, yeah.
We'll put a project out and the kids will say, can I do this? I'm like, of course you, oh, look at that.
Look, it works. It's still tree-ish. Okay, so now here comes the really fun part.
More to this?
There's more, yeah, because we don't see too many trees with the leaves changing color because of our the temperature around here, the climate. But we see a lot of photos of them. And one day, maybe I'll go to the Northeast and go see some actual falling leaves. See all that beauty. But I'm going to take a piece of plastic wrap.
Ooh, this is exciting.
Okay, I know. I'm going to squinch it up like this. And now, watch how we're going to do the leaves. I'm going to squinch it up and get a little bit of the orange, the yellow, and the red. And remember, this is tree-ish, so we're going to add some things that look like colorful leaves.
This is all stuff you have at home too, huh?
Yeah. The plastic wrap just pulled right out of the cupboard.
Or you could recycle plastic wrap that was maybe your vegetables were around.
Oh yeah, that could work too. Now also in pictures that we see a lot of things falling to the ground too, which is probably not what people want because they have to clean it all up, but I think they look pretty. Okay, what do you think? I think we could do this a lot. This is fun. I should probably stop. Okay, here we go.
Okay,
So
I'm
this is
excited.
my fall tree in a sunset. There you go. Leaves that we don't normally see around here.
That one right out of the park, Miss Kate.
I know, I love this
So
one.
good.
It's so fun, and it was so easy. You could see, even though I didn't wait for everything to dry, I could still do it and not be frustrated. I will tell you the truth, I was a little bit frustrated that the black started to smear around, but I had to come up with a quick solution. So problem solving while you're painting, not a bad plan. All right, if you make this, would you please send us a picture of it? I can't even touch myself because I'm all covered in paint. Please send us a picture so we can see it, and will be so proud. All right. Hope to see you soon. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye, friends.